If I catch you at the right moment, let's do a few conscious breaths together. A very simple meditation exercise. So right now I'm sitting comfortably in my car. Close my eyes and gently bring my attention to witness how I breathe. I'm gently observing and noticing the air goes in and how it goes out. A couple more here. During this time, I place my hands on my tummy, casually just feeling how my contact of my hands with my stomach, bringing my attention back to sensing what's going on in the present moment. Be like a sponge. I always say be like a sponge because being mindful is allow things to come to you and make note without judgment. That's all. That's a very simple exercise, maybe a little bit more than a minute. That's something that we all can do. And why this can be very helpful is opening yourself up to the path of having the ability to observe more than just the exterior environment, more than just observing what's around us. You start to gain the ability to look inward, to feel what you're sensing inside. And this type of practice will help relationships, will help handle many stressful situations when all of a sudden you come up with stressful or even hostile situations. What really touched me and why I really want to share and promote mindfulness practice is nowadays, as you know, we all will stay on top of some sort of social media. So sometimes you will see news that many people are not able to handle hostile situations, and then maybe there's a mistake because they got hijacked by their own emotions at that time, and then something terrible happens. For example, you know, nowadays when you happen to be out on the street, maybe something just happened between two people, or maybe a group of people against an individual, maybe some form of bullying or some form of attack. But instead of just letting things come to you and then you got into the moment and then you start to attack another person back, and terrible things happen, and maybe someone can get seriously hurt. But instead, when we able to look inward and notice at those type of hostile situations, maybe if we are able to sense what's going on inside, that maybe a lot of anger happened at that time, maybe a lot of things that are trapped wanted to explode, that you notice it, and then but you make a conscious choice to walk away. And then this can actually help avoid something terrible happen either to you or to the other person. So I hope this helps. Have a nice day.